On July 14, 2025, Denmark solidified its commitment to modernizing its armed forces by finalizing its participation in the Multinational Common Armored Vehicle System program, a collaborative effort led by Finland to develop and procure advanced 6x6 armored personnel carriers. This milestone included the simultaneous signing of three pivotal agreements: the Research and Development Agreement, the Framework Agreement, and the Life Cycle Management Agreement. These documents followed Denmark's earlier entry into the program in April 2025 through the Technical Arrangement, marking its integration as the fifth member alongside Finland, Latvia, Sweden, and Germany. The agreements paved the way for Denmark's confirmed order of 129 Patria 6x6 vehicles, also designated as XA300, from the Finnish defense company Patria. Valued at approximately 1.9 billion Danish kroner, or 247 million euros, this procurement is funded through Denmark's Accelerations-Fonden, reflecting the nation's urgency to bolster its military capabilities amid heightened regional security concerns in Northern Europe, particularly in the Baltic Sea and Arctic regions. The Patria 6x6 is a modular, six-wheeled APC designed to meet diverse operational needs, making it a cornerstone of Denmark's defense modernization strategy. The vehicles will be allocated to both the newly established Light Infantry Battalion and the Heavy Brigade, supporting roles such as troop transportation, command and control, communications, electronic warfare, and medical evacuation. Each vehicle is configured to accommodate 2 or 3 crew members and up to 10 fully equipped soldiers. Powered by a Scania DC09 inline 5-cylinder diesel engine, the Patria 6x6 delivers 294 kilobars of power and 1,870 Nm of torque, with a maximum payload of 8.5 tons and an operational range of 700 kilometers. Its road speed exceeds 100 km/h, and it can achieve 8 km/h in amphibious mode, enhancing its versatility across varied terrains. The vehicle's standard protection complies with STANAG 4569 Level K2 M2A/B, with options to upgrade to Level K4 M4A/B for enhanced survivability. Its layout positions the driver and commander at the front, the engine behind the driver, and the troop compartment at the rear, with a right-side passage for internal access. Suspension options include independent coil springs or high-drop pneumatic systems, and the chassis incorporates structural elements from the proven Patria AMVXP platform, ensuring durability and adaptability. Denmark's order of 129 Patria 6x6 vehicles is part of a broader effort to rebuild and modernize its armed forces. A limited batch of vehicles is scheduled for delivery before the end of 2025 to facilitate initial crew training and familiarization, with the main deliveries set to commence in 2026. This rapid timeline underscores Denmark's strategic priority to enhance its military readiness, particularly in light of evolving security dynamics in the Nordic and Baltic regions. The Patria 6x6's interoperability with NATO and Nordic allies is a key advantage, aligning with Denmark's commitment to collective defense. The vehicle's modularity allows it to be fitted with various armaments, including machine guns, 25mm or 30mm automatic cannons, and the Patria Nemo 120mm turreted mortar system, making it suitable for a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance to fire support. While the Patria 6x6 lacks the combat-tested pedigree of platforms like the U.S. Stryker, its design prioritizes flexibility and NATO standard compatibility, positioning it as a forward-looking solution for European militaries. The CAV-S program initiated in 2019 by Finland and Latvia, aims to standardize 6x6 armored vehicle systems across participating nations, reducing procurement and maintenance costs through economies of scale. Sweden joined in 2022 during the R&D phase, followed by Germany in 2023, and Denmark's entry in 2025 further strengthens this collaborative framework. The program remains open to other European nations, subject to approval by current members, fostering broader EU and NATO interoperability. Patria, the program's lead developer, has secured orders for over 850 vehicles, with more than 200 already delivered. Latvia has ordered over 250 units, including 56 command and control variants, while Finland has procured 161, including 3 pre-series vehicles for evaluation. Sweden's order of 341 vehicles, designated as Pansarterrängbil 300, is set for delivery through 2030. In early 2025, Ukraine ordered 42 vehicles, with deliveries expected to begin in summer 2025. Germany, meanwhile, has requested a binding offer for 300 units, with plans to potentially acquire up to 1,000, highlighting the program's growing momentum. A significant development in 2025 was Germany's €50 million contract with Patria for the development and qualification of mortar variants under the CAVS framework. This includes 2 self-propelled mortar prototypes, equipped with the Nemo system, and a command vehicle prototype, integrated with Germany's Adler command and fire control network. The project, supported by ESG Electronic System und Logistik GmbH, ensures compliance with road traffic regulations, electromagnetic compatibility, and logistics documentation, with serial production slated for 2026 or 2027, and initial deliveries by 2029. This underscores the program's focus on advancing technological capabilities and operational integration across participating nations. Local industrial participation is a cornerstone of the CAVS program, ensuring economic benefits and supply chain security. In Latvia, vehicles are manufactured in Valmiera at a facility capable of producing 160 units annually. Germany collaborates with DSL, Flensburger Fahrzeugbaugesellschaft, and Jungenthal Wehrtechnik to localize production. Denmark is expected to adopt a similar model, incorporating its domestic industry to support production and maintenance, aligning with broader EU defense industrial objectives. The European Commission's allocation of €60 million in November 2024 through the European Defence Industry Reinforcement Instrument through joint procurement further bolsters the program. Administered by Finland, Latvia, Sweden, and Germany, this funding supports the development, acquisition, and life cycle management of the Patria 6x6, promoting strategic autonomy and reducing reliance on non-European suppliers. Denmark's investment in the Patria 6x6 aligns with its national defense strategy, which allocates 50 billion kroner, or €6.5 billion, for 2025-2026, and an additional 10 billion kroner, or €1.3 billion, annually from 2027 to 2033 for personnel, infrastructure, and procurement. The vehicles will be showcased at Dalo Industry Days in Ballerup on August 20-21, 2025, organized by the Danish Ministry of Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organization. This event will highlight Denmark's integration into the CAVS framework and its commitment to European defense collaboration. The Patria 6x6's expected service life of over 30 years ensures long-term value, while its modular design and interoperability enhance Denmark's role in NATO and Nordic defense networks. As the CAVS program continues to expand, Denmark's participation reinforces the collective push for standardized, cost-effective, and resilient military solutions across Europe, addressing both immediate security needs and long-term strategic goals.